Who is out there? Who is going into marriage and who doesn't want to have a happy home? I doubt if there is anyone. But listen, it doesn't matter how wealthy you are, how blossom you're doing, whatsoever thing you are doing. If you fail to have a happy home and you fail to have godly and good behaving children, you have failed in society. You failed in life. But somewhere, someday, someone is going to ask, whose son is this? Whose daughter is this? This lacks training. And that's the reason why we're creating this channel. We promise to give you everything that will assist you to have a happy home or life. You're welcome to our channel. This is the Family Lifestyle with Eleojo and Busayo. And on this channel, we promise to give you tips and strategies that will help your relationship, your dating lifestyle, how to marry well, how to have godly family, and how to train your children, good parenting that will make you sure of your children to be secured. If you want to learn more of this, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be among this first set of people that will receive our weekly videos as we drop them. Remember again, on this channel, we'll be giving you everything that will help your family to be sweet and wonderful. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. Goodbye.